Earth, a natural beauty that needs our help protecting it. We live in a time where there are forest fires, polluted oceans, and so many more issues happening in the world. The smallest contributions help. That including the group we're looking at today, a campus nature club. Welcome to the Nature Buddies Club. Here on campus, we love nature and try to protect it the best we can, even if that means being, unconventional. This club is so beneficial to our campus. If you don't believe me, hear what some of the members have to say.
As the leader of the group, I make sure we're having fun, and that's what matters. Sure, maybe we're doing things a bit unconventional or spontaneous, but at the end of the day, we're helping the environment.
Yeah, we kind of just let Alex do whatever they want. They're the most passionate person here regarding nature, even if they come up with some really bad plans sometimes. We had to stop feeding the birds rice because the poor birds kept exploding from how much water the rice absorbed.
I'm just here because my antler teacher told us we had to join a club. I don't really get it, but at least I'm getting a passing grade now. If you haven't already interviewed Chris, you should do it. He's very passionate about this club.
Oh, Louie talked about me? Oh, she's so nice. Yeah, I love this club so much. They're all super nice, and Alex is such a great leader. I don't usually question him. He knows what he's doing. He's so smart.
Yeah, he's just so hype about this club. I wish I had his energy, honestly, but this club is just special. Yes, special.
At the end of the day, we just try our hardest to help the environment. We'll always mess up somehow, but it's a learning experience. Working with these people is the highlight of my week.
So after hearing all those amazing reviews from the club members, come join today. We can't wait to see you there.